Welcome to Thessaloniki and welcome to the On Residence 5-star hotel. This is a 5-star boutique hotel featuring 60 rooms and suites, and it was originally built in 1926 as a mansion, a symbol of a reborn Thessaloniki after a devastating fire in 1917, and it's been lovingly restored as we have a quick look around. It has the original restaurant here, which we'll look at in just a moment. There's also a cafe and a rooftop bar, as well as a spa and gym. Back in 1926, this started life as a brewery, and it was called Naoussa. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. And the restaurant became the Naoussa Olympos, and this was the place to be seen. If you were a celebrity or VIP of the time, it was the place for high society. And back in the 1990s, it'd fallen into disrepair and it closed down, but it's been lovingly restored recently, and this is the beautiful restaurant. It's not the only restaurant here. There is a cafe called Tiger Loop. There's also the bar on the roof called the On Roof, and this is a great place as well to arrange meetings, as they have some boardrooms where you can hire the room for your business meetings as well. Let's have a quick look into the room I was in. This is the bathroom, again set up for high society, so why they let riffraff like me in, I have no idea. And the room itself, beautiful spacious room, and then a couple of steps up to the outside area, and the view from the balcony at the front of the On Residence Hotel is of the Bay of Thessaloniki. You can see in the background a warship. Let's have a look back into the room then. Apologies that my case is open and everything's everywhere, but I think you can get a flavour of the room. A lovely room. And there we are, the view again. Beautiful. This is a cruise line terminal as well. And there's my next door neighbours, Boudica and Mr. Smiley. And another view there. Beautiful. Sadly, it was a bit of a dull day when we were there, but in the distance there, behind the clouds, you'll see Mount Olympos. And there's the neighbours again. And more views out towards Mount Olympos here in Thessaloniki. Now that boat there, that pirate boat, will come and collect you and take you around the bay. And you have to buy a drink. I don't know if you have to buy a drink, but it's free to get on, and I suppose you would be expected to buy a drink, otherwise you might end up walking the plank. But this is a lovely place, and if you've never been, you should definitely come and visit. Why not? Perhaps you could be staying at one of the resorts and stop here for a couple of nights on the way.